I used to care about one thing in science class, getting the right answer. I memorized formulas and tried not to make mistakes. But everything changed in our STEAM class when we started building things ourselves. We built a vacuum cleaner. We built a steamboat. This time, our teacher didn't give us the correct answer first. Instead, she kept asking questions. Why do I think this happens? What if we change one thing? At first, I felt uncomfortable. I realized I didn't know how to answer. But slowly, I learned to observe and make my own guesses. I discovered that science isn't about answering quickly. It's about learning how to ask better questions. Now I don't just ask, is it right or wrong? I ask, why do I think this happen? Why do I think this way? I thought science was about answer, but now I know science is where thinking begins.